Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can transfer your account in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store. Go ahead and click on your profile on the top left hand side and go to Account. After you go to Account, what you need to do is go to Transfer Account. You can transfer your account to a new Android device. So go ahead and tap on it and click on Continue. So some of the steps are written. The first step is to download Signal on your new Android device. The second is to tap on Transfer or Restore Account on another device as well as this device as well. And the third is to select Transfer from Android device when prompted and then Continue. Keep both devices nearby because the connection is vital. Go ahead and tap on Continue and click on Continue to allow the signal. Go ahead and tap on Allow. Wait for a while and an Android device will be found if it is near. You can select it and you can easily transfer your account this way. Both of the devices should be simultaneously together and the process should be same as well. So after this, you can easily transfer your account totally to your new device. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.